Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and today I'm bringing you a workshop announcement video. I'm coming to the USA to go and do some workshops around logotype design. If you don't know, I am a logotype designer. I've been working in the industry for quite a while with different companies creating amazing logotypes, and I'm bringing a workshop to a town near you, kind of. Logotype are hosting a workshop for me in San Francisco on January the 20th. It's from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And Voyager Vanquish are hosting a workshop with me in downtown Denver, Colorado on January 24th. Tickets for these workshops are now up for sale, but make sure you go for them very quickly as there's only 20 seats available for each of the workshops. I'm going to be showing you how you can design a logotype professionally like I do in the industry. If you're a hand lettering artist or someone who's just learning more about logotype design and the differences between them, then this workshop is for you. I'm going to be showing you how you can draw a logotype from scratch and how that affects the business that you're working with. I'm also going to be showing you the core fundamentals of taking certain attributes of professional logos that have inspired you into your logo design to make it that bit better. I'm going to be showing you how you can create consistency and design a logotype without any anxiety or stress. And most of all, we're going to have a lot of fun and learn some new things together. For more information about these workshops and to get your tickets, visit the links down below and go ahead and purchase your ticket. If you want any more information or if you've got any questions that you want to ask, then leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to answer any of your questions. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry it's a short one, but I didn't want to spend too long talking about the workshops. We're just going to have an absolute blast. If you want to know what we're going to be learning, visit Logotype and the websites below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe and I'll catch you later. See you soon. Bye.